If you are looking for patio heater replacement parts, here's a collection you've got to see. At any time, just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, by DozyAnt. Our editor choice. Now only at $9.99. Number 2, by Mensi. Available now on Amazon only at $7.99. Number 3, by GasOne. For more info about these patio heater replacement parts, just click this circle. Number 4, by Hiland. Available now on Amazon only at $69. Number 5, by Fixitshop. For more info about these great online deals, click this banner in the corner. Number 6, by Patio Heaters. Get this special offer patio heater replacement parts deal. Number 7, by GasOne. Available now on Amazon only at $49.95. Number 8, by Newton. Number 9, by Fixitshop. Get these great online deals now, click this banner for real-time updates. Number 10, by Hiland.